Me the be akomiansem na okan kakra na metwa na to so say na be benya perspectives and different understanding of some of these things that we yeah be come asem mira oko France asem mo kan say the Liverpool e kan fa turam ho no enye no kre na ye briefing say needs for no e beti sika no so Liverpool so say ye no kre no mo pe 8 million omanya 8 ni million nyina McAllister Dominic Sportsley until say the omuhia ye obi oba bi sua de free Fabinho na Fabinho ni wa find the position in the long term on Romeo Lavia no problem mira eno ameka wa ha say Liverpool be fa Thuram and Lavia because they've been hinted said Thiago Eko
yes
and now no pay the briefing in Liverpool and they said Thiago has turned down 2 bids from Saudi Arabia so person Liverpool ball last season anyway
but all
ball season anyway because of unfinished business into said Thiago there then Liverpool don't need Thuram
yeah
now omone needs enkomodi no one of the things needs proposed say enkomunye Keita de enibi o de omonto Thuram no management needs for 1 more year now Liverpool say because of near 2 Keita Nintino they are not so sure so now Bayern Munich are circling Newcastle after losing out on Boschlei could also go back in for Kefren Thuram mira the no name Liverpool Semontea they are looking to make a 70 million pound bid for Levi Colwill.
70 million pound.
He's their first choice centre back target. Levi Colwill.
Liverpool for Nepen.
Levi Colwill. Now the man at the area when say omo calculations omo ye no. SCHA. Liverpool had been briefed of Chelsea's problems with FFP. They never considered say Saudi for Bema Chelsea a leeway normal fame. Until na omo yes ade no. Until Levi Colwill na nkasa na Brighton kwa na 10 omo down no. Ne papa ne nebusuafo has spoken to Liverpool. Now I would want to end my submission by asking Edi aduane no mudi wo Kobam ho they are producing this kind of centre backs.
Obizapa.
Maguire. Now Levi Colwill.
Yeah.
Every single time they produce an astute one. Hey, Christensen. Look, ask yourself, they are producing elite. Now Liverpool tap Levi Colwill up. No? The boy openly came out to confess his love for Liverpool Steven Gerrard as his role model. You ain't take a canyon fancy.
Sort of thing. And then
you watching when you're a kid, and who are you watching now? Sort of who are your sort of role models or idols or just players you liked?
Growing up, it was always Steven Gerrard. Watching him, the leader, I was just amazed by him. I used to have pictures of him in my room, and it was like I used to always just try and copy him, like before training or before he was playing football. I just always think I was him. I was just dressed up as him, have the same boots, sort of thing, and then that was it. I just looked up to him, and then obviously I wasn't really never a centre midfielder, but I always try having the same mentality as him. So it just went from there. And then
you watching when you're a kid, and
the Mate, me da se pa, what be near money so